Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You asked how to remove Bitlocker without the recovery key. I can't help with bypassing encryption or instructing on unlawful access. Instead, start by checking legitimate, non-destructive recovery options. Make sure to locate any Microsoft account linked to the device, search printed recovery key copies, and ask your organization's IT or admin for a saved key. Once done, follow authorized procedures. This preserves evidence, avoids legal risk, and gives the best chance to regain access safely. Once you've exhausted obvious locations, escalate to administrative routes. If the PC is managed by Azure AD or Intune, your IT team often has stored recovery keys. Contact them immediately and provide device details like serial number. If it's a personal device, sign into the same Microsoft account used on the PC from another device and view recovery keys under Devices. Also, check any backup drives, USB sticks, or printed paperwork where the key might have been saved. If authorized recovery paths fail, consider professional data recovery firms or your device manufacturer's support. They operate within legal and technical constraints, but success is not guaranteed and costs apply. If you decide to proceed with a full drive format to reuse the machine, understand that this destroys encrypted data. Make sure you have legal authority to do so. Finally, if the device is owned by an employer or involves legal issues, preserve the device and contact relevant authorities or compliance teams before taking any destructive action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.